And here we are on a Sunday once again, Two Martians visit. Today we're heading up the Bloody Basin in the Seven Springs area, and we're panning around showing this area. Now this area here is north of Cave Creek Carefree area, and I'm going to pan around here and show you. And we're about to show the Albuquerque air traffic control ball up here on the side of the mountain, and one of my sons did electrical work on this unit up here, and we'll take some more photos to get up there for backup power systems and all the air traffic controller, Arizona, New Mexico, down into Mexico, California, and Nevada is all controlled from that dome up there. And we'll just pan, do a 360 here, the horizon, and we're going to hike out and take a little hike out and get a look at a place called Bartlett Lake. Kind of chilly and cold, and everything's still kind of dead out here, so come back later this summer and get some good green photos. And a pan all the way around, and here we go. Enjoy. We'll go down the hill now and take some great photos. And here we're going to show one more time. We're about to head down this little canyon here, and in the background, I'm not sure what peaks those are. There's still a little snow in the back of them. Was that the side of Four Peaks over there, Bill? Yeah, and that was Bill in the background, of course. And here we're panning around now. That mountain there right in the very back I'm pointing at, it's where Bill and I are heading, so we're going to hike up there and take some great photos. Back in the horizon is where Bill and I started, and we'll pan around. We're up on this little saddle now, and I'll swing back around. And this little mountain that the Albuquerque Center's on top of is called Humboldt Mountain. And we'll swing back around and show where we've come from and where we're heading. And about to come into view is Bartlett Lake, and we'll just go around the horizon. Got some beautiful snow-peaked mountains in the background. And coming up there in the bottom of that canyon is Bartlett Lake, and it's probably fuller than it's been in 10 years or more, because we've been going through a real drought. And we'll just pan back around and show. And where this video ends up, at the top of this hill, is where my buddy Bill and I are heading up to. So we thought we'd stop here and try to get oxygen in our old lungs. And we'll just pan up here, and got a little fern mesquite of some kind setting here. And there you go, a little panoramic view of the area where we're hiking. My buddy Bill and I are stopped here to feed our lungs full of oxygen. I kind of took us the hard way up here, so now we've had to stop and take a rest. And you can see this view where we're heading. We'll pan off to the right, and the little rocky knoll to our right-hand side is about to come into view. And I call it God's Chair, and that's where Bill and I are going to go set, and I'll pan right up to it. And right at the top of that little knoll is where Bill and I are heading. Like I said, kind of took the wrong road, and what has happened up here, we had a big fire come through here, and it rode away all the game trails, and the game all left, and Bill was right, because when the fire came through, it ate away all the vegetation. So the little game trails or little highways you'd ordinarily have coming up through this hike is gone. And now we'll come back around the corner here and go up and show Humboldt Mountain with the Albuquerque Center Tower on top of it. And we'll catch some oxygen and head up to God's Chair up there. Okay, Bill and I finally made it up here to God's Chair, and I'm going to do a little panorama around here. And interesting, coming up here, we finally found some deer tracks in the soft soil when we got on finally found the old game trail. And my buddy Bill, he's sharp about things like that. We also found cougar tracks, so which is good news. There's an old cougar up here living, or a family of cougars living up here in these mountains, and great news for all of us Arizonans that love to get up in these mountains. And in the background is Bartlett Lake that I'm showing to you. It is probably higher than it's been in, God knows, probably a few decades. And we'll just pan back around. Those mountains in the background are up there by... Bill, where do you say those mountains are? Is that the
backside of the Manizales?
That's the backside of the Manizales we're showing right now.
Okay, the one all the way to the right is Mount Lord.
Okay, we're going to pan around the right. I don't know if you heard Bill there, but get back to that peak, that highest peak with snow on it. That's Mount Ord. And Bill and I will take you all up there someday. There's some great views off that mountain, too. And as you can see, this is really a god-awful beautiful place we live here, even though we hiked our old asses off to get up here. Once you get up here, it's well worth it. And like a couple of dumb shits, we forgot water. So enjoy.
You know,
And I wanted to show this little outcropping here that Bill and I are sitting on behind us. And we're basically looking back to the west from this point. And the other view we were showing was looking east and north up towards Strawberry, Arizona, Payson, Arizona. Clear Creek, you can see in the background, the Manizels and all that. And the view that we're taking now is just off to the east. And we'll just pan back around here and show you another part of beautiful Arizona as we come back around the corner here and pan across here. And next Friday night, Bill and I are going to listen to a talk on nanotechnology, going from one extreme to the other, and we'll film it and put it out there on YouTube for all the folks. Now I've walked out another little point here to get a better view of Bartlett Lake and that, and we'll just pan around here, show this beautiful scenery that they're about to come up in the view here. There's a white mountain called Chalk Mountain, and there are a few mines in that mountain, and I would assume they're mining chalk out of it, but I can't say for sure. Those structures are old limestones at the bottom of the ocean at one time, created from coral, believe it or not. And another view of Bartlett Lake, and like I said before, it's probably never seen itself this high. And there's the view of Bartlett Lake Dam, which isn't much of a dam, mainly an earthen dam. And they're letting water out of it down into the Verde River area, which flows down by the valley and back around, so people can enjoy these beautiful views from here in Arizona. And one little quick pan around while I'm up here. And if you look hard, there's Bill in the background out on the rock outcropping that I just came from. And one more little quick view back around this rugged territory called Arizona. And here we are in the backside of this little, what I call God's chair up there before Bill and I hike out of here. And my buddy Bill found some more cougar tracks and deer tracks, so apparently that cougar is tracking that deer up in here somewhere. And in the very far background, right there, you can see Superstition Mountain. And that's just how far you can see up on this mountaintop here. And as we pan back to the right here, that is where Apache Junction is in Mesa, Arizona. And we'll just keep panning back around, and we'll just show how beautiful this little scene is and how green it is, because we've had all this awesome rainfall here in Arizona over the last few months. And according to my little Martian buddy Bill there, we've had over 5 inches since February 1st in his neighborhood in Tempe, Arizona. So that's why this is green. This is so green up here. And we'll just pan back around, and there's my buddy Bill again there taking some still photos, and pan back around, and that would be the Phoenix area there in the background. And we'll pan back around as we go all the way to the right. This area back up in here would probably be close to where the Bradshaw Mountains are, looking back up to Prescott, Arizona. So, and we'll pan back down here and show how green this little knoll is up here. And while the deer is up here eating this green grass, there's a cougar stalking his ass. So, tracks are only 1 or 2 days old up here, so that cougar's up here with us somewhere. Enjoy. I just want to point out here, that's Weaver Needles in the background. My buddy Bill found it where I was filming from before. You couldn't see Weaver's Needle, and here's a beautiful little canyon that I've hiked down into myself before, and I've really never, ever, ever seen it this green up here in my life, and I've been coming up in these canyons for maybe 40 years at the minimum. I'm 62 years old, so this is what I call part of my backyard here, and we'll pan around to a couple of trees that were burned out in our recent fires. So once again, enjoy, folks. And here we are some 3 hours later from our little hike. It took us 3 hours, hour and a half up, hour and a half back in that canyon. It's now closing in at 2 o'clock. Our little adventure today, we found javelina track, we found cougar track, we found deer track, and we found bobcat track on our little hike through the canyon and back up. And here it is later in the day, and you can see how pretty it is out here today in our big blue skies. And we'll go around by my buddy Bill and back around, and that'll be the segment. And we will now go to Tangle Creek and have lunch.